Thôi cái có thể này. Thì bao nhiêu có thể là cái bị hả? Là ba trăm đi là mà đâu có được. Tao có bán cái nợ rồi.
Is that hard to palm?
Nó bắt cái gì vậy? Có rồi.
Theo là bên này.
Chicago.
Là Chicago. Theo là bên này. Theo là Chicago. Là Chicago à kìa pada.
Yeah, let's go see the Milan.
Theo là bên này pada. Theo là bên này. I don't know. Là Chicago à kìa. Là tàu biển là. Là Chicago đó biển lại. Có mình lại đó gì?
Đi.
Ở đây à?
Bé.
Nè, lớp khóa đâu vào nào?
Hai mẹ coi lên cái giá dạ. Quý nhà đâu phải là giá dạ.
Lấy ở mình đi. Ô bữa ta đi cho bố. Bạn lấy cái đó thì chi ra đây. Bạn đi thì chi ra đây cái gì à? Dạ phu. Poggy. Where are you at, Poggy?
Oh, Chicago.
Chicago. We always in Chicago.
Oh, this is so cute.
Poggy. Where are you at?
Chicago.
What are you doing? Mama. Mama, where are you at?
Chicago.
Everybody's at Chicago. Padahal ya? Where are you at?
Chicago.
Chicago.
Go over a couple rules and regulations. She'll get us started here on the tour.
Well, thank you, Nora. I too would like to welcome everyone aboard the Viking. My name is Jenna. I will be your
Leroy never lost any lumber or lives. He did lose his job when the railroad industry started up. Turns out it's a lot easier to haul lumber on a train than a raft. But loving the river and not wanting to leave the Dells, Leroy started the first Dells boat tours. You guys ever heard of those? This wasn't always the case. If you were to be in the area in the early 1900s, you'd see something similar to the downtown Dells that we have today. Lots of homes and businesses. Luckily, a man named George Crandall came along and he changed all of this. Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And in the early 1930s, when the Great Depression hit, a lot of them had gone.
Yeah.
On the right side of the boat, you'll see the tallest cliff we have out here on the Upper Dells. This is the...
Yeah. Lecture. Lecture kalau. Lagi.
Lên.
Hello. Dede hello.
Này.
Nếu bây khi mà phát đồ, khi mà lâu nè.
Mẹ chúng là phát như vậy.
Chú nên bữa đẹp mà là
Cái cua trên gì à?
Nè.
À.
Nè.
Rồi sao làm gì? Cái làm gì?
ra cứ lớn
走这干了，靠这里来。
Spooky Lane. Hello, where are you at?
And do you know? Wait, do you know what? Go show her the photo.
Restroom, Meghalaya restroom. They don't have it.
Farther back. Someone were to Oh, nice. Try.
What? No. So we are. Thế là lôi là ở là Wisconsin Dells là bờ Hà Lan Lake là nè. Wisconsin Dells là bờ Hà Lan Lake. Là Lake của nó còn đàn à? It's a Wisconsin Dells. Witch's house. Is that Witch's house?
Chicago.
Hmm?
Chicago.
Chicago? Oh, we're in Chicago đây.
Chicago.
Hồ là Wisconsin Dells là bờ Hà Lan Lake là cái này.
We're in Chicago.
Are you doing, Jima?
Are we going back to the hotel after this?
Huh?
Are we going back to the hotel after this?
I think so.
I'm really sleepy.
Huh?
I'm sleepy. We're all set. Do it again. Oh, that was Bennett, our blue healer.
If we liked Stand Rock the best. All right, okay. All right. And then for Witch's Gulch. I feel like that's usually the response we get. I think that these two shore landings, they pair very well together. I know people come from all over the world to see the Witch's Gulch. Witch's Gulch is absolutely beautiful. Like I said, they work very well together. At Witch's Gulch, you're very immersed in the nature, whereas Stand Rock, you get to take a step back and see things from a bit of a different lens. So I think that they are just a beautiful pairing, and I'm glad we were able to stop at both of those today. Looking over on your right-hand side, you'll see some tall column rock formations. Those are actually my favorite rocks on the Upper Dells. Those are called the Palisades. Now, the Palisades are named by Henry Hamilton Bennett. Those are named after the Palisades along the Hudson River, except ours are dwarfed by the left-hand shoreline. You'll see that there's not a whole lot to see as those sandstone cliffs diminish into flat level lowlands. You can see Holiday Shores Resort, a little marina across the bay. If you keep looking on that left-hand side, you'll see a large round wooded bluff. Kind of looks like the side profile of a toothbrush. Now that is known as Louis Bluff. It's named after Louis Duplay. He was a Frenchman who came here in his early teenage years trading olive oil. Now he was...